guys, welcome to the laser engraving and graphic designing series for the Bioscience engineering students. This series will teach you how to use the laser engraver properly and safely. I apologize in advance if things don't make sense. I'm not used to doing voiceovers, but this video is to get you acquainted with the magical world of laser engraving, so let's just get it started. Yeah, woo! Alright, so the first thing you do is turn on the computer. Easy, right? Yeah, I knew you could do it. And then you open CorelDRAW. It's the green icon in the taskbar. This program will let you create images to print out through the laser engraver. When you open the program, you may see a pop-up window with recent works and an option for a new document. Go ahead and click that. If the window doesn't pop up, that's okay. You can go to the File tab on the top and go down and hit New. This is the space you will be working on. Since we are just making acquaintances with the program, let's just grab an image from the internet and use it so you can understand the basic procedures of what printing will look like. To import the image, you go to File, and this will open the drop-down menu like before. From there, go ahead and click on Import and select the image you wish to print out. Now you want to convert this image to bitmap. Click on Bitmap in the top bar. A drop-down menu will appear and you would have to click Convert to Bitmap. Go ahead and select Grayscale in the pop-up and click OK. If your image is black and white, you did it right. Now, hover over the sidebar menu with all of your tools. A more in-depth analysis of the tools available to you will come up in a different segment, but for now, select the rectangular shape tool. This is your draw shape tool. Click and drag a rectangle around your image. Now, change the color of the rectangular outline to red by clicking on the black box in the bottom right corner of the program. A pop-up menu will appear. Make sure to change the width to hairline too. The color black tells the machine where to engrave. That is why we had to turn your picture into a black and white image. The color red tells the machine where to cut. Changing the width of the line tells the machine how thick you want to cut. That is why you want it to be hairline so the cut line can be as precise as possible. The TroCheck program measures in millimeters. Make sure to convert your measurements. To resize your image, drag from an empty area over your creation and type in the measurement you want. Make sure to resize your canvas to about the size of your creation. Center your creation to your new canvas size by selecting the individual parts and then grouping them together using Arrange Group. Then press P on your keyboard to center it, or go to Arrange, Align, and Distribute, Center to Page. When you are happy with your work, go to File, Print, or press Ctrl P to import your CorelDRAW document into the TroCheck program. A pop-up window should appear. Pick the TroCheck printer from the menu and then continue. If an error triangle appears, go to the Preferences and type in the approximate measurement of your canvas. Click Apply and then OK. You should see a blue icon glowing orange in the taskbar. This is the TroCheck program. Click on the program and drag your creation onto the workspace. Now turn on the printer. The power button is on the back. Connect the program to the printer by clicking on the icon of a plug in the program. Make sure you have the right settings for the material you're cutting on. Place your material in the TroCheck printer and then press the two orange arrows at the same time. This will tell the printer to adjust its focus onto your material. You can play with these settings to control the intensity of the engraving and cutting. Again, red means cutting and black means engraving. Intensity increases when power increases. Intensity increases when velocity decreases. Use the black arrows to move the laser on the printer to where you want to cut on your material. On the program, drag the corner of your creation to the middle of the plus sign. This will align your image and the laser on the engraver perfectly. Voila! Now you are ready to birth your creation into the physical world. All you need to do is press that play button. But wait! Before pressing that play button like a freaking YouTube video, ask this man for permission to engrave and cut first! Did you ask him? Good. Now watch the magic happen.